Hi, and welcome to 7D Service Instructions. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace a casement sash out of the window. Here we have our casement window. First we want to take our screen out. Some have the clips that you just turn your clip and the screen comes out. The new window is spring loaded, so you just pull it to the side, pull your top to the side, and it comes right out. You'll set this aside. You need to unlock your window. Crank it open. Okay, and at this point, there are two spots that the casement is locked into. The top and the bottom. The bottom has two arms. One is the arm coming off the sash to the track. The other one is coming off the operator. So I'm going to show you now how we remove this. Okay, this is the inside of the window. This is your crank coming off. So you would take a screwdriver in here and you just want to pry down to remove the crank. Then this one, same as the operator, take your screwdriver under this one and you pry it up. And then there's also one at the top. Same as the one at the bottom. You take your screwdriver under and you pry that off. So then your arms are released. At this point, you grab the center of your sash, slide it towards you. You can see this black slide that's in the track. You need to pull it out to the rivet. Once you get it to the rivet, then the sash pulls completely out of the window. Okay, now putting the new sash in, you take your new sash and the black slides on the bottom you need turned out. Set your slide in by the rivet. Set your top slide also out and in by the rivet, and then slide it back into the track. In the bottom, slide it back in under the track, and the top also back in under the track. After you get it under the track, slide the sash back. Pull your arm out from the bottom and re-snap it on to the rivet and re-snap this one back onto the rivet. Bring your operator out and also snap it up onto the rivet underneath, and then your sash is back in. You can operate your window and put your screen back in. Once your sash is in, if for some reason that the reveal on the outside of the sash is off to the left or the right, this rivet under here can move the window. It is oblong, so you can take a wrench, you can hook the wrench onto that rivet, and you can move it left or to the right to adjust the sash in the opening to the left or the right if it needs to be. Once you have your sash completely adjusted, snap your track back on. You can adjust the top and the bottom rivet to make the adjustment so the sash is good and square in the frame. Snap it back on and you're done.